Yes, we already know about the studying, but for me, I heard from the many people they talk like that. Studying is have only at school, but for me, I don't agree about this idea. Studying, and now I want to introduce ourselves. My name is Ranjan.
My name is Yirandisa.
And I want to raise up the one topic to clarify to all of you. And this topic is learning beyond the classroom. Yes, studying and this idea the meaning of this idea we can about you studying at school, study with the teacher and the classmate. You study about the subject or about the language from the teacher. And studying is if you focus to the studying at this class, you will have knowledge to can get a good result for your exam. And some point that don't agree about this idea is have to and can study at home. If you study only at school, but when you go home, you don't study at home, you don't review or you don't memorize about the word or about the lesson that you study before at the teacher in the class. You don't review all of this. It cannot help you to better, like you study language. If you don't improve or you can spend your time to speak in English, it's not can help you to improve better. Like many students, like for me, I study for a long time, but I cannot speak in English better like my friend. And the second point is you study about the technology. It means you study about the smartphone or about the website. Like now they have ChatGPT or Gemini. You can speak in English to this app, or you can search about the word or about the new language that you want to study. And one more point is community. You can study from society that happen right now, like the war between Cambodia and Thailand. You can study this also have in the past, like it has history. You can study all of this. You can study about the something that happened in the world. This also help you to have idea for yourself. And now it's turned out my ma'am.
And learning beyond the classroom, it also comes from family, daily routine, and experience too. Family take their children about moral, how to be a good people, and respect others. And they also take such as learning how to cook, take the lessons at home, understand festival, and spend money. They tell their children that no one can help us except ourselves. We know that we are difficult, but there are also have people who are more difficult than us. Life is struggle. There is nothing easier or more difficult than human. And the second is daily routine. We can learn from the daily routine such as reading book, research from YouTube or TikTok, go to a new place, find a new thing to make life better, create a good habit for a better future, and it can help us. It can help us love ourselves too. And the third is experience. We can learn. We learning from experience. It means that we take what we have gone through and apply it to the future. We tell ourselves that we have been through a lot of hardship, so we must move on. And our life are our choice. We take what we have been through to think about it and interpret it. It comes from traveling, going through life lessons, learning new things, and we can use experience as a guide for the future. Thank you, teacher, and thank you everyone for listening to us.